Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Monday as they all reached a record high. Shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, as well as automobiles and components and material sectors, they all gained momentum. While on the economic docket, there was no major economic news reported, therefore leading the way for advancers to be ahead of decliners, 71% of S&P 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, McDermott International said it agreed to acquire Chicago Bridge & Iron in a $6 billion all-stock deal, adding that the company would control 53% of the merged entity. Turning overseas now, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.15%, the Hang Seng up 0.7%, China CSI 300 up 1.25%, while South Korea's Kospi down 0.13%. European markets in consolidation and U.S. futures calling for a flat to higher start. Now, in terms of expectations today on the corporate front, Carnival fourth quarter EPS seen at roughly 51 cents on sales of approximately $4.1 billion. Darden Restaurant second quarter EPS seen at 71 cents on sales of approximately $1.9 billion. FedEx second quarter EPS seen at $2.89 on sales of approximately $15.7 billion. And Micron Technology first quarter EPS seen at $2.19 on sales of approximately $6.4 billion. While on the economic docket today, all figures at 8:30 in the morning, November housing starts, November building permits, as well as the third quarter current account balance. Now, turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 continues to see a rise towards 2,700, while the Nasdaq, that's in focus as the relative strength index is bullish and calls for further upside. Long positions above 65.15 are favored with targets at 65.50 and 65.75 in extension. And lastly, the Dow Jones sees the RSI calling for a new up leg, therefore watching the 24,900 level.